All right, cool beans. Okay. So this week we're covering cryptography. And so you guys can either say you want to hear a lecture today, or you want me to do the practical assignment part. Either or, it doesn't matter. Beginning of October, I believe it's October 6th, is the day we should have class. There's going to be a speaker, Ed Bellis. He actually developed a company that was acquired by Cisco. He will actually be on campus. He'll be there for a good amount of time. It's going to be at 6. The course starts at 6:25. It's going to be in Kaplan. So if you would like to come there and participate, feel free. I'm actually going to be on campus that day. And so, yeah, feel free to participate. I did post this weekend's video, posted within 12 hours. I posted a video. So please do take note of that. And I'm going to look at our assignment for cryptography. There's actually 2 of them. So let me share the screen. Let me do a quick screen share. I'm going to also let other people share as well. Okay, let me do a share. And built in. Perfect. All right, so you should see my screen shared. So there's 2 different items that we have, 2 different assignments, right? So we have in its group, so you have exploring data encryption security tools. And then there's a paper which is exploring the fundamentals of cryptography. And so what we can do is we can cover this particular assignment right now in class. And so you can go ahead and start posting on discussion board what groups you want, and then we can start going through this particular assignment. So should take 5 minutes. Go ahead and post in the discussion forum what groups you'd like to be in. And then we can go ahead and we can start working through this. And then in class, I can, just lecture. And so it's exploring data encryption and security tools. I'm trying to see, is there something in here for that? Oh, it's moving slow, but it isn't moving slow. So I will post this in the forum. You can choose your group. Then we'll go over this. All right, so group. All right, it is available now. Just refresh your screen and you will see it available. That you'll see the assignment available. And so you can go ahead and start posting your group. And it'll be 3 to 4 students in each group. That's moving slow. Let me just drag this one over. So you can see it here, and it will be this one on the bottom. So you just create your thread and select your group, or create your group. So please get active, and then we will start going through some of these items. You got about 4 minutes left. I don't see anybody post anything yet. Perfect. And technically I was incorrect. It's telecommunications and network security, but go ahead and post in this group. And then go here. Networking tasks. Then the networking tasks. So I kind of went ahead, but yeah, post in both groups. And then we'll do the networking task as well. We'll do the networking task first. I was just moving ahead. So I will do the networking task. I apologize for that. Yeah, let's pull up the networking task. Okay, the networking task is the group exploring network analysis and security tools. That one I'll go through really quick. It won't take long. I actually did it before, but I forgot not everybody is coming to the lab. All right, so this is the network task. Right, that's the network task right here. So again, apologies. So network tasks, that's what we're going to do now. For those who didn't attend the weekend session, I'll go through it, and I'll start that right now. The first item here is to use Wireshark. So you would install Wireshark first, sudo apt install Wireshark, right? Now, once you have Wireshark, you will be able to capture network traffic, right? So this is my wireless here. I will capture traffic. Let's capture traffic there. Let's see. All right, so I'm going to play Tubi TV. So let's see, The Stepmother 2. That sounds interesting. Tubi original. Oh, good. Play a movie.
Can you believe credit cards charge you money to use your money?
All right, so just do that to get more network traffic. And then once I have this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this particular item, and then I'm going to download a tool. There's a couple tools. One is R-based, so you'll need to install R as well. That'd be something else. And then the other one is RapidMiner. We just got to download the file, make sure that we have appropriate Java version, and it'll run. All right, so let this run, and we'll go ahead and get our environment set up. So sudo apt install rbase. So I'm going to provide this to you so you can just copy and paste it. So you need RBase. All right, so you have RBase. I'm going to provide it to you guys now in the chat. All right, so once you have RBase, then you can install other particular files. The one that you do need is RStudio. I'm going to provide that to you and the link as well. So you want RStudio. And of course, you want the Debian file. All right, and then once you have it installed, once you have it downloaded, then you'll do demonstration sudo, because I already have it downloaded. So you sudo dp kg -i, and yeah, so you can see RStudio is already here, but you would put the entire file name, hit enter, and it will install. So again, this right here should take maybe 5 minutes. If you have issues installing RStudio, let me know, and then you can share your screen and we can go through the install on your particular machine. Do you know if it works in WSL? What is WSL, Cat?
WSL is Windows Subsystem for Linux, which is just a kind of built-in like Windows Linux VM. It's really useful. So it like runs on Ubuntu, but it's a little weird. So it does support graphical applications to an extent as well. So I don't know. I'll try it. I'll let you know.
Okay, yeah, I don't use it. Like my base OS is Ubuntu. Like I always use Linux distributions. If I have to run Windows, right, it's in a VM environment. I do not run Windows on my base OS. The only actually I do. Let me correct myself. On a university provided Samsung book. That's it. Other than that, everything is Linux based, and that I run Windows and VMs. But let me know if it works. Yeah, Kevin, run it in your Linux environment because we're going to run some other items. So run it in your Linux environment.
What is the command to actually like open it?
RStudio.
Yeah.
So once you've actually installed it, it will be in there. So you can just go to click on activities, type in R, and it'll come up.
WSL is like terminal only, so I'd have to figure it out, like where the executable is.
Just type in RStudio. Just do sudo RStudio and see if it comes up.
Doesn't look like it.
Let me see something. Because RStudio is an application. If it's command line only, then because it's a GUI.
Yeah, so WSL does support GUIs. So I think. Oh, I installed RBase, but I need to install the studio.
Oh,
Is that what it is? Yeah.
Yes, get RBase, then RStudio.
Okay.
Yes, please do RBase first. It is first and foremost. All right, so let's go here back to our studio. Sorry, not our Wireshark. I'm going to do a file. I'm going to export packet dissections as a plain text. Go to sample. Wireshark, call it Wireshark. Save it. And my Wireshark is, let's see. That was not expected.
It has actually opened on WSL, so
Oh,
good to
awesome.
know. Yeah, it does work. So you have to actually manually unpack the dpackage file, but there's deb file, but it does work. So if anybody needs help with that, I got you.
Appreciate that. All right, I'm running Wireshark again, obviously, because yeah. How did it end up messing up? All right, let me let this run for 5 minutes. When you have our studio will come up. Then here you can import a data set. There's already a data set here. What is it? Oh, Tubi Watch. I don't know where that's from. Okay. Touch Tubi. I'm pretty sure I deleted that. Yeah, I deleted it. That's why data set's not there. All right, I gotta let this run for like 5 minutes and I'll bring over the data. It's a lot better when you have much more data. So you do attach field. Well, okay, first you do this. First you import the data set. Do I still have it here? Okay, interesting. Okay. Open, import. Data sets here. Attach data set. What? Let's go here to plots. And so all the commands will be R based. I mean, it's an R base. This is in GUI for R. And we'll see what plots up here. It takes a bit sometimes. So all I did plot source, and then we'll see what comes up here. This is the data set I created for the weekend lab. Thought I did delete it, so I'm shocked it's still there. We can see in that data set there's 387,481 entries. All right, so once you have that, the next item you want to have is RapidMiner. So RapidMiner. And you want the academic edition. And I'll send you guys the link. We'll let this run in the background. All right, you want RapidMiner for academics. You need to sign up for an academic license. And once you have the academic license, you can do a number of really cool things. But you need to get this set up first. Because what you do, you'll download a file, you'll extract it, and then from there, you'll have to navigate in your folder. And this is what I've done over here. I've navigated downloads, RapidMiner Studio, clear, do ls, and then sh, enter, and then it'll come up on my other screen, and I'll bring it up here. Well, we'll see which screen it comes up on, but it'll run. But you got to make sure you have the current Java edition loaded. And so if you get to that point and you have issues, let me know, and then we'll go ahead and install it, switch your Java versions, and then get everything up and working. But using this makes things very easy. I mean, you can use RStudio, you can just use R, but if you want like the neat graphics, this works well. The problem with this is if you don't have an academic license, it's approximately $9,900 per year per a single license. So it is quite pricey. Lord. Let's see. Reset my password. Do a quick password reset. Don't worry, it doesn't take long. See if it works. Perfect. I'll have this run now. All right, and I'm in. So it's in. Now I can import data. Computer. It loads all the data up here, number, time, source, destination, protocol, everything. It'll check to see if there's any issues. It'll let you know there's a problem. Sometimes there's characters that it won't pull from to the repository. Okay, awesome. So I had a had a limit at first because I had the regular license, which it's free, so it limits you to like 10,000 entries or something like that. But you can see here there's a lot of entries in here. I can run stats and it shows stats like number, time, source, destination IP, protocol. I can go to open visualization. I can see the protocol. So it's a really, really slick tool. So for those that have to do research papers and stuff like that, I strongly recommend that you take advantage of this particular application.
I know in a lot of like CTF competitions I did, they'll give you like Wireshark and they'll ask how many like TCP unique TCP checksums were there, and like finding that data is really annoying. So this actually is kind of useful for that.
Yeah. So when is the next CTF you're going to participate in, Kat?
November roughly,
Okay.
or late October.
Yeah. There's this tool. There's also some other pretty freaking cool tools that you can actually set nodes and you can start mapping everything out like it's an awesome graph. It's called Cytoscape.
Hmm.
And what I can do this coming weekend, I can show you how to use Cytoscape and some other tools that will make your CTFs like run a little bit smoother. Because parsing through the data, it just sucks. Like you have a time limit. And then also when you're doing your CTF, you got to decide like how long you're going to defend versus attack, right?
Well, for the CTF, it's just like challenges rather than any like defense.
Oh, okay. It's not one that you have to defend and attack.
No.
Okay. Okay. The cool thing is like this will show source, address, and destination. So you can see, okay, where is everything coming from or where is it going to? And then you say, oh, which protocol, right? And here it shows length. Then here's other, and let's see what this info is here. Okay, it's nothing there. Or can we pull it here? What can we do? Okay, just can't pull anything here. Go back to stats. Let's look at destination. So you can see destination IP. Yeah, it's pretty slick. Then you can change things and you do a number of other things. There's different models in here that you can do. Create interactive analysis. It's a good tool. It's a really powerful tool. But let's make sure that you can get it installed. Do you have this installed? Does anyone else does anyone have this installed and actually capture data? I'm actually going to stop this now. Export as a plain text. Desktop. Oh, look, it's already there. All right, any questions regarding this, or should I move forward?
So we have to download RStudio, then do the sudo app rbase, and then we could run Wireshark to visualize the data, right?
Yeah, so you want to install Wireshark first, right? Install Wireshark.
Yep.
Then RBase, that's R-base. Once you have RBase, you can install like RStudio. There's a tool called Awkward as well, or you can use RapidMiner. But with RapidMiner, you need to have the correct Java version installed.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So Daniela, where are you at now?
Still trying to install RBase. For some reason, it's not working for me, so I'm just gonna still troubleshooting that at the moment.
Okay, this is what we're gonna do. Gonna stop my share. Share your screen and let's see what you got.
Sure. Oh, that's funny as hell. Once I say it, it works. Other than that, I'm at the point where I'm in. Let me share the screen real quick. That's right. It's always when you say something's not working and you try to show someone that it starts working. So there it is. We have that. Pretty sure this one's already installed. Remove this.
Okay, now let's get oh, okay, now you got RStudio, right?
Yep.
Okay, RStudio's installed.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Bring up RStudio. Yeah, you want to extract it. Yeah. Oh, yeah, never mind. You have your depth. So now you just need to install it. No, close it out. So go to your terminal.
Oh, let me install Wireshark before I even begin though.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Get that ready.
Okay, so now in your downloads, go to your downloads folder via terminal.
Oh, okay.
And then look at what I typed in the meeting chat for you.
Mhm.
Well, I typed it for everybody, but I wrote it specifically for you right now. And you will just copy that. Where I say package name, you would just type in
The
RStudio.
whole. Oh, okay.
Yeah. But if you just type in RStudio, hit tab, it will work. But you gotta do a oh, sorry, I'm so slow. It's sudo dpackage, not sudo install. Should be sudo dpackage I. Yeah, dpkg space dash I. Yeah, you got two P's in there.
Oh, thanks for catching that.
Yeah, just let it run. It just takes a while.
Yeah. I think someone asked a question. Ben.
I don't see. Okay, no one has their hand raised. I don't see anything in the
Oh,
meeting chat.
oh, they said I don't know what to do after installing RBase. What's the command after to install RStudio?
Yes, RStudio. Then you want to go get RStudio and install RStudio. Yeah, but you should be able to just do this. Just type RStudio and
Mhm.
then hit tab. Sorry, sudo apt install RStudio tab.
Also sudo apt install.
Yep. And then once go to end of RStudio and then hit tab. Go tab.
I had the same problem. You just have to install libclang-dev.
Install what?
It says in the dpackage error, it says you need to install libclang-dev. I had to install that and it worked just fine. Although you might
never
also
mind. I see it. I see that you have errors.
yeah, so
Uh,
just install libclang-dev and libssl-dev.
Lib claim dash dev.
Clang.
Yeah,
Oh,
those two
plain.
packages that are not there. They're the
Yeah,
top.
they're written says like dependency problems prevent configuration. Those two.
Oh, I see. These two, yeah, got them. Thank you.
Yeah, mine also did that. You just have to run the command it says. You have to put install.
Oh, install. Try.
You need sudo.
Damn, and this is recording. Embarrassing.
No, it's okay. It's okay.
Sudo dash broken.
Yeah, this will fix everything. Yep, see, look, your libs are installing those packages. Yep, just a yes.
And then there's a second one. Where is she?
It actually already got that one. It's in the install you're doing.
Oh, really? Oh,
Yeah,
that's
it's,
neat.
Yeah, I assume it's a dependency.
yeah, it's a dependency. Yeah, you just see all these above, all these lib packages.
So when did you say that speaker was gonna come again? Stephen Dawson?
Yeah, let me pull it up. So we just had
Wait.
our conversation today.
Mm-hmm.
So it should be. It's weird. It should be like this. I'm looking now. It should be like the second week. We could add Bellis. Oh, I was incorrect. October-ish, October 3rd.
Oh, Tuesday. Nice. And you said at 6, right?
Yes. I mean, the class starts at 6:25, but they'll get, time for us to get coffee, shake hands and stuff like that. He's an incredible guy, really, really awesome guy. I'll find an interview I did with him at Kaplan and where I asked questions about, how he started up his company and stuff like that.
So once the package is installed, you ran Wireshark for like a good couple minutes.
Yeah,
And
just
then
do 5 minutes.
yeah.
I just went to Tubi. It's a bootleg station. Hopefully Tubi doesn't hear me, but yeah, it's like all these movies that probably no one watches are low budget, and I just ran it to get a lot of traffic.
Oh, okay, I'm trying to Okay.
Yeah, and then
Can
you
you pick
yeah,
anything for this traffic?
yeah, you get anything.
All right.
Yeah, you can just close it and then just do pseudo Wireshark.
Oh, okay. Probably the pseudo that catches me off guard, I swear to God.
Just use controls. Yeah. No.
I'm gonna be the 1%. Are they gonna listen to this?
Never gonna give you up.
Oh, it has 1.4 billion. Alright, let's see. Come on.
I have luckily memorized the first like four letters of that URL, so I can't be tricked by it unless it's like hidden.
If you
Or they use a
just
different
use a
video.
bit.ly.
No, I actually usually I don't actually open like link shorteners. I will always put them in like a D shortener first.
Where's the fun in that?
I don't like getting tricked. Also, not trying to have somebody use a Gratify link on me.
I was gonna say you could do link cloaking, but the school does a pretty good job about like messing it up. Let's see. Right, so this is where like I don't remember what steps you did after. So you stopped the package and then you opened.
Yes, so I did stop. Yep, stop, and then with the file, and then go to export packet. Yeah, right there, down. Yeah, packet dissections. Yeah,
Packet dissections.
see, plain text.
Mhm.
So, do you actually know the song that you chose?
The song, yes, never gonna give you up. The title, yeah, it is the title. You exited out of this and you opened, was it RStudio?
Yes.
Okay.
So go to activities. You can click
The
on
folder.
activities, top left. And you can just type R. And then, yeah, there's RStudio. Oh, no, that's R. Drag, left click once and drag RStudio to your bar, your launcher. Just drag it over. No, our studio. Yeah,
Oh,
add it to
damn.
favorites, yeah. Okay, yeah, drop it. Okay, now you can go to our studio easily from here.
That's nice.
And just left click twice.
Yeah, I tried it a couple times. I feel like it's either there's gonna pop a couple decent times right now. Let me stop that. Maybe it's gonna help.
Maybe you need to give your VM more resources.
Yeah. This is why I was like, when he was on like step 3, I was like, we're still on step 1. Oh,
Just
there
give
she
it
goes.
a couple more processor cores, some RAM.
Yeah, you must have given it the bare minimum.
I did it just a tad, a smidge above the minimum.
Probably close the browser. That
Oh
one's gonna
yeah,
eat a lot of resources.
I'm still waiting to be able to even minimize the terminal. There we go.
Yeah, I don't think it has any video acceleration, so
You don't say. Oh, look, lovely. 4 plus 4 tabs. That's
Yeah, it's force quit. Yeah.
hold that.
It doesn't have enough resources, I can tell.
yeah, I would definitely give it more RAM or something.
Yeah, just close out of this and then just add in.
Yeah, that's yeah. Let me stop sharing and hide that real quick.
Yeah, you can still share. Let's go ahead and get it working because you have to get it working one way or the other.
Okay. Mm, right. Let's see. What?
So you can't change anything right here?
Nothing. I mean, I'm trying to add, but nothing. Not even in processors.
Oh.
Look at the-
Well, let's bring it back up because
Is it running maybe? Or like,
I don't know.
Yeah, hit cancel.
Yeah. Well, let me shut it down. I had it originally as suspended.
Oh, no, shut it down.
Yeah. Make sure stop. Let me.
wow, it already has a lot. It should be fine.
See what I mean? I did a smidge above pyramid.
Try maybe enable the virtualization for CPU performance. No, it's not. I don't know.
Let's
It's
see.
really weird.
8 gigs. 8 gigs. Let's see. 6.
How many cores is your processor anyway? Like your actual processor. Because I don't.
Off the top of my head,
32 is a
actually.
lot.
Yeah.
See.
You can go to your main, if you're using Windows, go to my computer and you can take a look and see what everything is, process there and all that stuff.
It's in the task manager under performance as well.
Which is your control alt T.
Mm.
Sorry, control shift escape.
Oh wait,
Yeah.
what did you guys say? I kind of blocked
Control
out.
shift escape will bring up your task manager.
Because I'm just trying to see how many processors it has, or
How many cores or logical processors?
let's see.
And make sure you're not getting everything to the VM.
Can you guys see the task manager now?
No.
No, we just see
Oh.
VMware workstation.
Oh, okay. I think no. Let me add that one then. See this one and this one. All right, what about now?
Yep.
Sweet.
It's in performance. And then CPU at the top. You have 12 threads, 10 cores.
And let me see how many originally had.
I think
4, and I've
you
changed
had
it to 8.
4.
Yeah, and I
Yeah.
changed it to 8. I think I might just keep it at 6 actually.
Yeah, let's just save this and bring up the VM again. So hopefully it works without there's no
The display settings might have like 3D acceleration, which might help
Go under the VM.
in the settings there, display.
I don't know if that would help much, the 3D acceleration.
Maybe, I don't know. Maybe RStudio's like
Oh
Let me use the
no,
graphics
no.
card. I
Rapid
don't know.
Miner, but our studio, no, it's is it different? It's like I tell people when shopping, like Walmart, Meyer, Target, it's like a Meyer. Yeah, you'll be okay. It's like a Meyer rated application. You should be okay. All right, let's try to start studio now.
Oh, you typed something here. Was it R? Yeah.
Yeah, so no, import the data set first. Oh no, go to the right.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you can just input the data set there where it says environment is empty.
Next. Let's see. It was a .txt file for you then, wasn't it?
Yep, never gonna give you up.
Yeah, I just got the error B table. More columns and column names.
That-
That's not me.
That's weird. Why are they giving you that?
I'm just gonna copy that error. Look it up.
Let me give you, I'm gonna send out my file to everyone. And you can just take this. Just go to. Going to Blackboard right now.
Oh, I put space in that.
So I'm gonna file. Nope. Oh, it's gonna be difficult. There you go. Was it? Right. I just uploaded a file in Blackboard. It's the 2B Watch CSV. It's in course materials. I'm just
Oh,
waiting
okay.
to upload, and you can just use that. I don't know why it's taking so long to upload though.
I have to head in like in a couple minutes for work.
Okay,
So
it's up
once
there.
okay, sweet. So once we just use it with your
Yeah. Go up there and see if it can work. It'll work now. Just go to
Okay.
Blackboard, download it, and you use that data set.
Could it be because yours is a CSV file then? Because
It
they're
should
never
work
gonna give
either or. It just determines like if you have a CSV, a text file, it should work as well. It shouldn't matter which file, as long as they're separated. They can be separated by commas or parentheses, it or quotation. It just doesn't matter.
Okay. See. Oh crap, what's this do? There.
Right.
See. So I'm trying to see if I could move it over from my the host machine to
Oh no, just
Ubuntu.
download it. Just go to Blackboard on your VM. And I'll pause it, record. I'll pause the sharing. Well, I'll pause the recording.
Hmm.
And look, yeah, like it came up. Okay. So it's coming up. All right, awesome. So this is working. All right, there's quite a bit more. So what I may do is just continue to go over this in class and over the weekend,
Mhm.
because I want to make sure everybody gets this knocked out, because it will get very complicated when we deal with some of the other tools. I
Okay,
will,
sweet.
yeah. So I'll figure out the lecture part. But we definitely need much more lab time with this to make sure that everyone can get through this, because you do Rapid Miner and also Cytoscape, and so or another Gephi or whatever. and it can get complicated. So you have to make sure that environments are set up appropriately.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because like I said, I don't want to see. I mean, I don't mind seeing you guys again, but I don't see the same class again. So let's make sure we get this knocked out the first time. Yeah, and after this, install Rapid Miner. So Rapid Miner will be the next one. So try to get that installed before class, and we will pull that the first thing, and then I will pull up the lecture as well. But it'll be quite a bit. So this, including the weekend, we will be doing these network tools to make sure that everybody can get through.
Oh, okay.
All right. Well, I will see you guys. You guys enjoy, and I will see you guys on campus. All right.
All right. See ya.
All right. Cheers.
Oh, and thanks for the help.
No problem.
Hey.
You too, Kat.
Have a
Thanks.
good day. Sorry.
And Professor.
All right. Bye.